Hi guys, welcome to Mrs. Kleiman's YouTube Science channel, and today I'm going to try to fry an egg in the sun. It's 104 out right now, and so in front of me I have in this experiment you need a pan, you need some cooking oil, you need a raw egg, and you're going to need some sun. So I'm going to crack the egg and see if we can fry an egg.
Oh, that's not how you crack an egg.
Right here. Okay. You're in the sun, so you need to move away from the sun. All right, so I don't think it worked. There is some denaturing of the egg protein and lots of flies, but this is just motivating me to make a solar oven, so stay tuned for the solar oven. This is Reggie. He's a stray cat that moved into my yard a couple days ago. He probably wants an egg and likes science experiments too. So in yesterday's experiment, I used a stainless steel pan. However, when I did more research, I realized that maybe the stainless steel did not trap in enough of the heat, and so I am borrowing an iron pan today. In the second attempt, we're going to still need canola oil, raw egg, a cast iron pan. This is our goal egg. This is what we want it to look like. Thank you for attending the Zoom today. If you did, you saw the results of this experiment. We sure did have fun, and we learned a lot about chemical changes. This is attempt number 2. Inside the pan. Hold on. Here's the egg.
Crack an egg.
Cracking an egg.
Nothing's happening. What a surprise.
Hold on. Don't be a doubting Thomas. It's going to happen. I'm telling you, it's going to happen. So now we waited for a little while. But you can see like all of the white.
Yeah. There's some cooking.
There's some cooking going on.
Oh, Melissa's right again.
I'm right.
Oh, no.
If I turn the pan to the side, see, the egg doesn't move. See that? So it definitely did something. Very fancy egg whites. They almost look like crystals. So it definitely, I don't know if it cooked or if it just dried out, but it definitely is not what I started with. It's been about an hour and a half. There's a leaf, by the way. If you do this at home, please don't eat the egg. So I wanted to see if I could touch the egg, and so if you look at it, it almost looks like they formed like a casing on top where it's solid, and there's liquid underneath. So I don't know if you can see that. It's like pockets of liquid. It's really kind of gross. Ew. And I just broke the yolk so that you can see that it's solid. See that? Yeah, kind of really yucky. So this is definitely what is called a chemical change. So a chemical change is when the chemistry of the materials changes, and it's something that is not the same as when you started out. So this is a chemical change, whereas a physical change would be if you had like a paper and you crumpled it up. It's still paper, you can uncrumple it. But I will never ever get the egg back to being a raw egg. So a chemical change has occurred. When you get into 8th grade, you'll learn more about chemistry and physical and chemical changes, but you saw it in action.